The world you design, the world you make, the world you build. For more than 85 years, Canon has been there, helping you bring it all together. Designed for professionals, by professionals. Now, Canon launches the next generation, the T Series. Trusted technology with next-generation printing power that takes you into the future. Into your future for easy, productive printing of your great ideas. Into your future with circular design that supports your sustainable business initiatives. Into your future with our IT security features roadmap to support the IT security of your printer for its economic life. All powered by our PowerSync Plus controller and Prisma Tech Suite software for streamlined workflow. With Canon, you benefit from one-stop shopping for printing, copying, and scanning, along with integrated folders, stacker, and tested media. Printers you can build on as you design, make, and build our world. With the Canon colorWAVE and plotWAVE T-Series. For the years ahead.